Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule L using the easy method. First, determine if your corporation qualifies. This method is available for corporations with total assets under $300,000 and total receipts under $250,000. It simplifies reporting by allowing you to omit certain detailed balance sheet information. This approach saves time and reduces complexity for smaller entities, making tax preparation more straightforward. To qualify for the easy method, your corporation must not have an interest in a foreign corporation, and you must not be required to file Schedule M3. You will use your internal balance sheet to report key figures. Specifically, you'll need to provide the total assets and total liabilities at both the beginning and end of your tax year. This streamlined reporting focuses on the overall financial health without requiring extensive line-by-line detail. When filling out Schedule L with the easy method, you will report your total assets on line 14, using both column A for the beginning of the year and column D for the end of the year. Similarly, your total liabilities will be entered on line 24, again in both column A and column D. This provides a clear snapshot of your corporation's financial standing at two critical points, simplifying the overall reporting process significantly. The easy method for Schedule L offers substantial benefits by simplifying your tax reporting. It's designed to save time and effort for smaller corporations that meet the asset and receipt thresholds. Always double-check that your reported figures are accurate and consistent with your internal accounting records. If your corporation's financial situation becomes more intricate, or if you have any doubts, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.